What if someone stops breathing, or let's say the heart stops beating, perhaps due to cardiac arrest or respiratory arrest? Would you save them or you just watch? Listen, I'm not wishing this situation to anybody, but some scenarios are just inevitable. They happen without our knowledge, either in football fields, at schools, in churches, or maybe anywhere, even a swimming pool when somebody's drowning. So it's actually good to know what to do before they happen. When you are caught up in a situation like this, the first thing that you should do is to call for an emergency help, either from the hospital or anywhere. As you wait for help, don't just sit idly. There is something that you can do. We call it CPR, which stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. You don't need to be a doctor to do this, anybody can do it. It is actually a technique that is given to keep oxygen and blood flowing when heart stops. How do we do it? I will show you the double video. First of all, put your fascian or casualty on supine position. Then hold your hand like this. The heel of your thumb here, place it between the chest region. Then compress, give compression. Like 30 compressions to rescue breath. 30 compressions to rescue breath. How will you give the rescue breath? First, hold the nose like this, then give the breath directly mouth to mouth. You keep on doing this until help arrives, or maybe if the person begins to breathe. How will you know that they are breathing? You will see the rising and the falling of the chest. If that is the case, you don't need to continue with CPR. We usually do this to preserve life, to prevent situation from getting worse, and to promote recovery. Just have a look at the video here.
Genge. So Emeka's drowned. Yes, Emeka, God forbid. And you are there, what do you do? First of all, you check the surrounding if he's safe, so that something else will not happen to you. Or the person. Number two, you shout for help. Help, oh, somebody help me. Number three, you need to check if he's breathing or if he's only gasping. How do you do that? You watch the chest. If he's not rising and going down normally as he should, then you now need to perform this very important step called CPR. How do you do it? You place the heel of your hand in between the chest. Where? In between the nipples. Very easy to find. And then you lock with the second hand on top. And then you push in about 2 inches deep. But you're going to do that about 30 times at the speed of 100 to 120 beats per minute. You see all this thing I'm saying? It might be difficult for some of you to remember. Just use this Nigerian song in your head. Shaking your body, twe, 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 twe. Yeah, you're getting it, Abi. And then, as you can see, my elbow is not moving. Some of you will be doing like this. That's not how to do it. Your elbows are supposed to be locked. You're supposed to be directly on